Hi, everybody. Here we are once again. This is for the PEP students, and I'd say this is international too. If you're a student and you're interested in some math topics and you're here today, well, we welcome you as usual. But we're focusing a lot on the primary exit performance tests for the Jamaican students. This is a test that they'll be taking to get into high school. Okay? But you're all welcome to join us. So today we're going to be looking at this. And we have our teacher here who is nice and bright in her colors today. And she is Miss January. So hi, Miss January, how you doing? So she's asking today, what's this? This is, do you know? Do you know? Do do you know? Does anybody know what this sign is? Talk to me. Okay, let's see. I see there are a lot of people who are excited, and let's see who is the most excited. Oh my goodness, her arms are up in the air. Yes, we see you. We see you. We see you, Landisha. We see you. And Landisha is saying this is the percent sign. You go. You are absolutely correct. It is the percent sign. So that's a great answer. Now let's see. Now, do you know what percent means? Because we use a lot of words and we don't fully understand what they mean. But I have a secret to share with you. We can know what many words mean by breaking the words in parts. So if we think of the word percent, we're hearing two syllables. We're hearing
Per
per and we're hearing
cent.
cent. So we can break this word into parts to get its meaning. And that's just what we did. So let's see. Yeah. Some of you are saying right now, huh? What did you just do? You massacred that word. And now, did we? Oh, per and cent. So let's see. Per. What does per mean? For example, I'm going to go to the store and they say, okay, there are 100 balloons per bag. Hmm. And here we're seeing there are 50 apples per bag. What's common there? Saying for every bag, there are 6 persons per van. Hmm. There are 30 students per class. So the common thing is for every class, there are 30 students. For every van, there are 6 persons. For every bag, there are 50 apples. So the common thing is the per here is saying for everything, whatever that unit is, for each of those, that is the amount that is in each. Okay? Now let us look at the cent. Cent. Let's see some words with cent in them, like century. A century is what?
100
100
years.
years. And let's see. How many cents make $1? Oh, 100 cents make $1. So let's see. So if per is for every and a cent is 100, could it possibly mean that percent means for every 100? That looks possible, doesn't it? Okay, so let's hold on to this now. It means for every 100. Okay, so we're getting it all together like we're baking a cake. So the percent sign is used to show this is a description, a percentage, which is a fraction with 100 as the denominator, right? So then 50% is saying if we remove the percent sign, it will be saying 50 out of
100.
100. So when you see a number with the percent sign beside it, you just have to say, oh, so if I remove that sign, it is saying, that number out of 100. So if I'm seeing 25%,
25
it's
over
25 out of
100.
100. So whatever the whole is, it is in 100 parts, and we make it the equivalent to 100 parts. So, so you did your exams and you got 45% because something just didn't go right on that exam, man. Oh, so you're saying, oh, so that's actually 45 out of a total of 100. However, the teacher did that, and then somebody got 99% and they're here just fuming because you could have gotten that other 1%. Oh, goodness. And you're so mad right now. So that would be 99 out of 100 parts. So if we remove the percent sign, then it is saying the thing is out of 100. So it's a fraction with the denominator as 100. It's making sense. Yeah, I think so. Don't you think so? Yeah. Okay. So now that we are stars at this thing and we have a better understanding of what it means when we see that percentage sign, we're going to look at these questions. Number one, 45% is a fraction and a decimal. So if we know that wherever we see the percentage sign, we can take it away, then we can say 45, then when we take it away, 45% as a fraction would be 45 over
100.
Awesome. Now, if we just leave it like that, we're not thinking about simplifying it yet, although we need to simplify. But if we get 45 over 100 and we want to find it as a decimal, what would that decimal be?
0.45.
Oh, yeah, because we have two zeros in 100. So we'd move that decimal place two places to the left. And then we get 0.45. But while we're moving ahead, I'm not helping you guys. I need you to spend some time now. Somebody needs to spend some time and just look at number two before we move on. So tell me, number two, 2% as a fraction. Come speak to me. Speak in my ears. Let me hear your lovely voice. You tell me what 2% as a fraction is. Over to you.
Oh, that would be, as a fraction, that would be 2 over 100.
And as a decimal?
And as a decimal, it would be 0.02.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so, oh my goodness. And our other student is here. Are you a girl watching this and you're blushing because you got it so right? Because the boys thought they would be getting it right all by themselves, but no, the girls are there blushing. Oh, I know the answer. You go, my scholars, you go. So let's see how we can break it down. So 45% would be 45 over 100. Now we're going to simplify. We're stepping the game up. We're going higher today. So we simplified by dividing the top and the bottom by the number 5. So we go 5 into 45 goes 9 times, and 5 into 100 goes 20 times. Some of you might be saying, how did you choose that 5? We're just finding a number that can divide both top and bottom numbers, that is numerator and denominator. We can use a number to divide both numerator and denominator without leaving a remainder. And that number we're finding is the number 5. So then as a decimal, we said before, it would be 45 over 100. We're just going to be moving the decimal point two places. So we will be getting 0.45. Awesome. We did number two already. Fraction 2% is 2 over 100, which would be simplified by dividing top and bottom by the common factor here, which would be 2. So we divide 2 into 2 goes 1 time, and 2 into 100 goes 50 times. Awesome. And we know that now our decimal would be 2 over 100. Move the decimal place 2 points because we have two zeros in the 100. We will get 0.02. As a fraction, 60% is 60 over
100.
And we can simplify it by dividing top and bottom by
20.
Okay, so 20 into 60 goes 3 times, and 20 into 100 goes 5 times. So our decimal will be 0.6, okay, which will be again moving the decimal point two places with the 60, and we get 0.6. So as a fraction, 126% as a fraction would be 126 over 100. And if we're going to simplify, we're going to bring it down to 63 over 50. And I don't know if your teachers want you to simplify it further. So it would be actually 1 and 13 over 50, right? So as a mixed fraction, that would be it. But I don't know if your teacher wants you to leave it as an improper fraction. But you guys are smart. You know how to do it. And you'll do it as your teacher says. Now the decimal would be 1.26. I think we just had an awesome session. I enjoyed it. I really did. And we're ending just now when the rains have ended. So I guess it's really bedtime. So you guys have an awesome time. Go ahead. This is just to help for preparation for PEP. That's why I'm doing it, because we're all here. And guess what? All you children are ours. We're grown now, but all of you guys, we want to see you do well, and we understand some of the things that can help you do well. And this is just one of those things. We're giving back to our community. We're giving back to our nation. We're giving back to our amazing children, because we want you guys to move into all those dreams and those visions that you have for your life, and to know that math is fun and you're going to be using it, and you're using fractions right now. So we want to make sure that you get these things correct. Okay. So you keep blessed. You guys keep safe. Keep loving yourself. Keep being kind to yourself. Keep being kind to your parents. And parents, let's keep loving these precious gifts we've been given by God. So God bless you and keep safe until next time.